Hallo liebe Kampfsportfreunde, neben mir Midaukas, der wirklich einen sehr harten Kampf mit Mukayoko hatte. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So it was a very hard and close fight. Can you tell us about his impression with the fight?
Tu gali pasakyti, ant kiek sunkus tau buvo kovoti, ant kiek priešininkas?
Na, visų pirma, sužinau likus savaitę iki, kad kovos varžybom ir nebuvo laiko pasiruošti. Bet nežinau, savo patirtim paprasčiausiai niekur neskubėjau ir laimėjau kovą.
He said what about this fighter he know just 1 week before and he don't get enough time for prepare himself for this fight. But he show all these things what he make all life, what he training, you know, and he tried the best, you know.
Was his game plan to stand up and strike with him or put the fight on the ground?
Tu norėjai...
Nebuvo pati kova, nežinau, parodė, kaip viskas įvyks.
Jo, bet jisai klausė, tau parterį daugiau norėjai kovoti, ar...
Stovėsinai, stand up.
Stand up. He want to make fight not on the ground, but in stand position, you know.
So does he think he was behind on points, because Mix shows many takedowns?
Yes.
Ta prasme, kad mes pralašinėjom, kaip, ne?
Nu jo.
Jo, pralašinėjom, bet palaukiu, žinau, kad truputį laiko yra ir pasiruošti veiksmui vienam.
You know, he say that it's very difficult. He understand what another fighter is very strong, but in that time when he see what he is loose condition, you know, he start to make all what he can do, you know, do this.
He said he had a long travel here to Gießen 1 day.
Yes.
What kind of effect had it to him to fight?
Dėl ko tu...
Kelionė turėjo įtakos visą tai.
Yes.
Mažai, nes gal saky, kad lietuviai iš tikrųjų...
He say, how about trip, you know, we're traveling 1 day, but Lithuania people is very strong and doesn't matter 1 day or 2 days. When he go fight, he fight, you know.
What are his future plans?
Ką tu galvoji, jo ateities?
Kiek galima sukovoti daugiau kovų, nežinau, pasiruošti. Norėtų dar kartą atvažiuoti čia kiekvienais metais sudalyvauti.
He say that one more time, maybe not one more time, maybe more time he want to come in Deutschland because he see people like this sport, MMA, and in the future he like to be more better than today.
Elise, you want to say something to his fans at home? You can do
yes,
now.
I want noriu padėkoti visiems Titanas, my gym Titanas people, trainer Marius Misiūnas and my manager Marius Mažulis and his gym Knight of Plungė.
Thank you very much. Good luck for the future. Thank you very much.